Assalamu alaikum. Every human being dreams of a life filled with peace and happiness. But before Allah grants His true servants real happiness, He places them through trials and hardships. Because only after enduring these difficulties does a believer become patient and truly taste the sweetness of happiness. Without pain, one cannot truly appreciate comfort. Without struggle, one cannot truly value blessings. That is why Allah gives His beloved servants certain hardships before blessing them with peace. Here are 9 types of hardships Allah gives to His beloved servants before granting them happiness. 1. Lack of wealth. Sometimes we face financial struggles, job loss, or business failures. At first, it feels like everything is gone. But in reality, this is a test from Allah, teaching us to rely only on Him and to recognize the true value of life and blessings. 2. Illness. When health declines or sickness takes over, we may feel broken. But sickness brings us closer to Allah, teaches us patience, purifies us from sins, and makes us increase our prayers. It paves the way for greater peace afterward. 3. Losing loved ones. The death of a parent, spouse, child, or close relative deeply shakes the heart. Yet through this pain, Allah reminds us that all worldly ties are temporary and eternal comfort lies only with Him. 4. Criticism from people. Sometimes people blame, insult, or mock us. Though it hurts, this hardship teaches humility, patience, and the lesson that the pleasure of Allah matters more than the approval of people. 5. Betrayal from friends. Often the people we trust most may hurt or deceive us. The pain is deep, but it teaches us that our true trust should be placed in Allah alone, not in people. 6. Loneliness. At times we may feel abandoned, ignored, or left alone. But this solitude reminds us that the only one who is always with us is Allah. It pulls the heart closer to Him and builds strength within us. 7. Major failures in life. Despite efforts, things may not go as planned, and it feels like defeat. Yet these failures teach us that true strength comes from patience and trust in Allah. Every failure is an opportunity to return to Him. 8. Worries and fears. Anxiety about the future, uncertainty, or insecurity can overwhelm us. But through this, Allah teaches us that real safety and peace come only from Him, and we must never lose hope in His mercy. 9. Tests of patience and courage. Sometimes situations leave us with no choice but to endure. In those moments, Allah makes us stronger, braver, and more reliant on Him. Through patience, we taste the sweetness of true happiness and mercy. So whenever Allah gives us pain, remember, it is not to destroy us, but to prepare us. Hardship, loss, betrayal, loneliness, failure, and fear, all of these make us stronger, more patient, and more devoted to Allah. Without them, we could never fully understand happiness or feel gratitude. For more inspiring reminders like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.